If this is your first, or if it isn't your first PC that you're building, this was super easy to use. This was my first PC that I built, and everything was extremely easy to assemble and use. This PC does a fantastic job at maintaining airflow. I was able to put a cooler right up here on the top. You then also have multiple intake and output fans as well. You have 3 in the front, the exhaust on the back, and then 3 down here on the bottom. I set this up so that the airflow is going over from the front, up from the inside. The cooler's also blowing up and out. And then I also have the air exhausting or coming out of the back here as well. My temperatures have maintained a steady rate even when I'm using this while playing games. I haven't noticed any issues with my components, and installing everything onto the motherboard and having everything work just worked flawlessly from the jump. I was able to install Windows on here really easily. You have extra brackets on here. I chose to install my graphics card horizontally, but you also have the ability to install it vertically too as well. And you have ample space to install everything on here. I actually have 2 hard drives down here on the bottom, and then a NVMe right over here beneath the M2 bracket right there. I was able to put 2 16 gig RAMs right here, and you still have 2 more slots for 2 more. I really like the cable management on the back. This just unclips by pulling this to the side or turning it to the side with the thumb screw. And then this panel just comes right off. And you can see how I have everything set up in my PC tower right here. It comes with a lot of the cords here already secured. You do have the ability to loosen everything up and thread it however you want. I still want to make this a little bit neater, but I really like how easy everything was to set up on this. On the back, you have all of your inputs and outputs as well, which was really easy to set up too. But I mean, once again, this was my first PC build. I think I did okay for the first one. I really like how everything functions. It looks nice, it looks sleek, and it doesn't just look good, but it functions really well too. So I would definitely say check this out if you're looking to make your first PC.